Hi guys, I'm Zoe Cree, and like my name and my hair suggests, मैं थोड़ी क्री क्री हूँ. But that's not what we're talking about today. Today we're talking about a very big influencer जिसका नाम हर जगह आपने सुना तो होगा at least. That is फुकरा इंसान. So what is this whole hype about? क्यों इतना Instagram पे और Twitter पे ये चीज़ ट्रेंड कर रही है? Let's break that down कि क्या हुआ है. Now तुम पूछोगे तुम कौन होती हो ओपिनियन देने वाली? मुझे भी नहीं पता. But like I said, I'm cray cray. So deal with it. Anyway, so basically Rachit explained in his video पूरे 1 घंटे की that they were doing a live stream where they were drunk and they were just having conversations, just a bunch of 4 friends, and जिसमें one of his friend, I think Max के अलावा हाँ Max got really drunk and started bad mouthing फुकरा इंसान. Was it right to do in a live? No. And should he have shut the video? Yes, but he already mentioned this in his video कि he was drunk, he himself was not in that right conscious mind कि मुझे क्या करना चाहिए.
कि मैंने इस स्ट्रीम को प्राइवेट नहीं किया, आखिर उसका क्या रीज़न है? मुझे प्राइवेट करने का मेक सेंस नहीं किया. ऊपर से मुझे लगा कि अगर मैं इस स्ट्रीम को प्राइवेट करूंगा तो एक्चुअली में और गलत सीने होंगे और गलत इश्यूज होंगे.
Obviously that doesn't, just because you apologize doesn't mean it. ठीक है, कुछ लोग मानते हैं that when you're drunk तुम्हारी सच्चाई निकलती है जो तुम बहुत दबा के रखते हो. Some people don't believe it, some people think it's a little heightened emotion, and for everyone it could be different. But what happened after the live is what is a little bit more concerning. Is that उसने कॉल किया and he showed in the video, he showed a screenshot 4 minute conversation that भाई sorry वगैरह उसने बोला, and in that and here's the thing, I am not 100% sure कि because this was just a screenshot, this was not an actual call, so we don't have proof of that to really say or justify the statement, right? But according to Rachit, is what happened is he apologized and even they said कि हाँ भाई तुम्हारी गलती नहीं है, it was Max who said it, and fine. Even if उस time पे they were like being like okay Max is a bad person, समझ आता है, it is their matter, right? But Rachit got dragged into this for what? Just because उसकी live stream थी and उसने end नहीं करी. Now here's the thing, this is now here's the thing, if it was just an issue between Rachit and Fukra Insan, it wouldn't be an issue for me to discuss. ठीक है, because before this Fukra and Triggered Insan have been in controversy because of their vlogs. अलग अलग चीज़ें लोगों ने बोली है कि ये कैसा family content है. But here's the thing, it is their family and it is their channel, they are deciding what to share. ठीक है, now how that portrays them, it is their choice. That is not something that anyone should really, okay yes you can point it out if you find it wrong, it is an opinion that you can share on the internet. लेकिन भाई coming back to the point कि okay ये पूरा चर्चित और फुकरा इंसान का सारा मैटर हुआ and everything, उसका content was called out for a lot of things which I understand. Now the issue is there are a lot of other things coming up that people are not talking about. So I just came across this. And here's the thing, ये बोल सकते हो कि screenshots है, fake है, okay. But then if you like, there is a screen recording that shows the same, that hey whatever. Now again, if you see the chat very closely, it says that this chat is from 2020, and I am not a firm believer कि किसी का past लेके उसको put down करो या जो भी हो, right? But at the same time, if you're a creator, you have a public identity, and if he did it publicly ki oh guys I am going to text girls and be like flirt with them and comment on them or whatever, then it is a complete different thing. But if he's doing it in his own privacy and this thing, I'm not saying that by messaging random girls is a right thing. ठीक है, जैसे तीर्थ परसाना का हुआ था. For those of you who don't know, तीर्थ परसाना is a pedophile because he was caught recently. His screenshots were leaked of talking with a 14-year-old even after she told him that she is not interested, she's disgusted by what he's telling her and talking about and all of that. But this is not about him, he's not as important to be talked about in this video. So anyways, coming back, here's the thing, why it is now if you're saying that भाई ठीक है तुम opinion दे रहे हो, तुम कौन होते हो opinion, it is important to call out behavior. And this is why, because when you when you are someone at such a power, people easily get influenced. But again, you don't know them as a person for me to be 100% sure कि मैं भी सही हो सकती हूँ, right? I don't know what their real personality is. I don't know what goes behind off cameras, and no one can know for sure, because see, I am in a field where I meet a lot of creators. I've met very shitty creators, like जो online पे hi guys करते रहते हैं, and then in reality they're like, and I hate these kind of fake people. And then you know, there are people who seem that they might be a little egoistic on their videos, but in reality they're genuinely very nice people, that when you speak to them they're very respectful. उनको कोई घमंड नहीं है. And here's the thing, creators जिनको घमंड, I get it that एक creator बनने के लिए there's a lot of hustle, and you should feel proud of yourself, you should, but you should always remain humble. ठीक है, yes I know fame and money changes people, but I cannot relate it to it. ना पैसा है ना fame है. Now here's the thing, creators के पास इतना accountability नहीं है कि of what their fans do. ठीक है, it is the fan who is doing it, it is a fan जो ये सारी चीज़ें करता है online. एंड बिग बॉस के टाइम पे एल्विश यादव जब जीता था, अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल स्टार्टेड अब्यूजिंग एल्विश सिस्टर, एंड इट डज नॉट मेक सेंस कि भाई अगर तुम्हें लड़ना है तो वाई इज़ इट इम्पॉर्टेंट कि तुम पब्लिक के सामने वीडियो बना के लड़ो. लाइक इफ़ यू लिव टुगेदर फॉर सो लॉन्ग, यू मस्ट हैव सम बेसिक कम्युनिकेशन कि तुम बैठ के बात करके सॉर्ट कर लो. ठीक है, नहीं तो मैं आई गेट इट, कुछ लोगों को ये लफड़ा करके क्लाउड पे चाहिए होता है, थोड़ा और बढ़ेगा, नाम आएगा, न्यूज़ पे आएगा, जो भी है. ठीक है, नाउ लीविंग ऑल ऑफ दैट असाइड, ऑल द पॉलिटिक्स असाइड, देयर वाज नो रीज़न टू ड्रैग एल्विस सिस्टर इनटू दिस. एंड आई टेल यू, ठीक है, तुम्हें लगेगा कि ये भाई बहुत पुरानी बात है, क्यों लेके आ रहे हो फलाना ढिमकाना, बट हियर्स द थिंग, अभी रिसेंटली भी people started putting strike Rachit के videos पे, for what? And not only strike on a video, they tried to get his whole YouTube channel deleted. And after this, what did the Malahan brothers do? They unfollowed him. Someone they used to call friends, and someone who Rachit is claiming कि खुद ने बोला था कि यार इसकी गलती नहीं है, इसने गलत नहीं किया है, and all of that. Then what is all this fuss about, you ask? Well, if you see, I think I'm not going to point any fingers on any characters or anyone, because like I said, no one can know the truth what goes behind a camera. Then जिनके साथ ये चीज़ें हुई है, people who know them very deeply personally can know it. But one thing that we learned from this is, भाई कोई भी creator को ना तुम blindly follow मत करो. But I am going to focus on this again, that don't follow someone blindly just because you see कि भाई कैमरा के आगे तो ये पर्सनालिटी है. आई डोंट नो कि कितना इशू हुआ होगा बिहाइंड द कॉल्स, बिहाइंड बहुत सारी चीज़ें छुपाई भी जा सकती है. इट इज़ इंटरनेट, यू गेट टू एडिट एंड कट थिंग्स वेरी ईजली. तो या स्टे सेफ, मेक इन्फॉर्म्ड डिसीजंस, एंड